Hello and welcome to another lecture of Adobe Photoshop from Zero to Pro. So in this lecture we are going to learn about the healing brush tool and the clone stamp tool, and what is the difference between these two tools and how we can use these tools to maximize our working. Please note that these two tools are for photos or the rasterized layers. These two tools do not work on the vectors graphics on Adobe Photoshop. So let me open an image. Let's suppose we have a scenario here that we want to clean a face with these type of acne, or we have to manage or to modify some face property. So let's take the healing brush tool first, and we can see some acne here. To use the healing brush tool, first you have to make sure that your brush size, the hardness and spacing. In this type of scenario, make sure your brush size does not exceed the size of your destination. Like if I'm going to fill this acne, my brush size should not be like this. It will affect all these other areas too. So make sure your brush size only covers the destination that you want to repair or correct. So healing brush tool, to activate the healing brush tool, you have to first give him a source from where you pick the source and place it on the destination. Make sure that your source is always nearest to your destination. Like I'm going to first fix this acne, I'm going to click here and click on this acne and it is gone. Again click here and it's gone. In some cases the healing brush tool is not good as the clone stamping tool. Just like in this function, what does the healing brush tool do? As I told you before, that the healing brush tool multiplies or add both the source and the destination and gives you the result. It is handy in some cases, but it is not good in most of the cases. To fix this picture, we need to use this clone stamping tool. Just like the healing brush tool, we have to give him the source first. So I'm going to fix this one and make sure that the size does not exceed. I'm going to select this destination again like this. It is going to fix. Now come to this one, click here again. These one are the large one, so I'm going to increase my brush size. The source, the destination, the source, the destination. We can fix this white spot later by using, you guessed it, the healing brush tool, when we need to multiply the source and the destination. Again this one I'm going to fix it, this one I'm going to fix it, and you can utilize your time to fix all these type of acne or things you are going to fix. Like this one, I'm just alt clicking the source and just placing on the destination. If you want to fix it, just go here and fix it here, and it's going to fix the layer. So this is the one use and one difference between the healing brush tool and the clone stamping tool. But the healing brush tool comes with many other properties, like the patch tool. Patch tool is a tool that I just want to make or correct this patch. I will just select this patch and I will move it to the source and it will replace it. Again this one I will replace it with this one. Just for your learning I'm going to place it. So what is the function of the healing brush tool? It is just going to multiply the source and the destination. This patch tool works in some areas, and in some areas it doesn't work at all. Spot healing brush tool is the same. The main thing that we are going to use is the content aware move tool. So let me open the image. Sorry. We are able to see a man standing in some flower and the fields and some trees here. Let's suppose we do not want him to be standing here, but we want him to be standing somewhat here. So what we can do is we can select the content aware tool, make a selection, do not make so close it, give it a break or space. Just like this one, I am going to just drag and select as much near or as much far I can go, just like this one, and from here to here and to the final point. Now we have selected this person. I can just drag it and move it where I want to move. Make sure you have to align it over these trees or over these flowers. Make a decision and then press this OK button. I'm going to align him with these flowers. Okay, now it is showing us both the source and the destination. I'm just going to press on this one. It will do some processing, and here you go. The person is twice here. The thing you notice that its arms are gone. Let me undo it. Why it's gone? Because we have made the selection so much near to the arms. Let me make another selection, this time far away from the arms, like this one. Now I'm going to move it here. Just release it and align this layer and press OK. And here you go. All these pixels are moved here and the person is now standing here. You can adjust these minor, what you can say, mistakes with the healing brush tool or the patch tool or the clone stamping tool, which one you like these. Some birds are here on the clouds. I can do this. I can go to the patch tool, select these clouds from here and make an area which is like this one. Birds are gone. These are some birds. I can again make it from here and this is also gone. Please note that all the images that I am using here are not my property. I am just using these images for educational purpose only. So this is the function of the content aware tool. We have learned how to use healing brush tool, the patch tool, not the spotting brush tool, and the content aware tool, and also the clone stamping tool. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.